What's up guys, my name is Ari and welcome back to my channel. This is my second video and I am very excited to show you guys this behemoth of a PC case. Is it a PC case? Is it a desk? It doesn't even justify calling it a desk. This is a big boy, and what I'm gonna do today for you guys is I'm gonna open this bad boy up. We're gonna install it together. We're gonna see what it has, what it looks like. I have the price and the description and all that dimensions down below for you guys, so you guys can check that out if you guys are interested in purchasing it. But this is gonna be fun, so let's do this. Oh my god, look at this big. It's crazy how they brought this thing in. All right, babe. So guys, this is what you're dealing with when you get this, okay? This is what you're dealing with. We gotta get some cutters for this. All right, let's get that. All right. Let's put this here. Don't make the mistake and do this one person. This is definitely a job of two people. Just do it yourself. This is DIY, do it yourself. All right, so that's the front panel. That's gonna be the glass, tempered glass. Now what's cool about this tempered glass is that it has the feature where you can actually make it clear and opaque at the same time. So I guess it has a button, you just press it, becomes instant transparent, and there's another button you press and it becomes kind of like, you know, just non-transparent. The trash man is not going to be happy with us. I should actually put it on the box because that way it can hold it while I put the legs in. You get what I'm saying? All right, so we got the desk out. We got actually the top portion out. Now we're gonna remove the film. This is the tempered glass part on here. All right, got that going. We gotta make sure they package this thing up so well. Like, gosh. They also include RGB lights. We got RGB, boys. All right, guys, so let's take a look and see what's inside the box right off the bat. They give us a cleaning cloth, which is excellent. Nice, they give you a lot of assembly screws. So you get a lot of screws in here, which is perfect. This device, this is actually, I believe this is what actually makes the glass turn from transparent to opaque, vice versa. So we'll learn how to install this right here in the manual. Also, they throw in a few cable buckles with a 3M adhesive on the bottom. So that's pretty cool. And for cable management, they throw a few more Velcro straps, and I think it's going to be really easy with cable management with this computer because there's a lot of areas that you can just tuck the cables. And yeah, so also 2 anti-vibration pads for underneath the foot of the legs. So if you guys are having this desk on a hardwood floor laminate, that's going to help you guys out. And then I believe these are extra hard drive cages for your SSD. So yeah, they tossed 3 in here. So that's what comes inside the box. Let's look at the manual. Let's check it out. All right, so looking at the manual, it says we need 21 of these screws right here, and install them all on the side of the desk and also the bottom of the desk. And so yeah, left top, left bottom, left side. So let's go ahead and get this screwed in. Oh great, now these don't line up. Oh great. You gotta screw it in. Screw it in. You gotta screw, baby. Hey Alright guys, so one thing that kind of gave me a little bit of an issue was installing the legs into the frame. So when you're installing these legs, you got to ensure that you're pushing down on the inside of the desk. What you want essentially is for the bottom of the leg to slip in on the top of the frame. So if you guys are doing this on your own, just make sure the inside of the frame you're pushing down, and if you guys got a friend that's helping you guys out, just have them push down while you insert the leg. But once it goes in, you'll know it's in because it won't go any further. And just remember, you have to do it on both sides, the right side and the left side. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Alright guys, so let's take a look at what this desk PC has as far as the features and capabilities of it. So if you want to come in here and let's look at the middle part. So you can actually hook up, this is a radiator bracket, you can hook up a 360mm rad combo both, and then also a 120mm fan, so that's pretty cool. Also, this desk allows you to hook up two motherboards, so you can either do an EATX or an ATX motherboard, which I think is the whole point of this desk, right? Also, if you want to, let's look at the back ports. So the back, for your first system, you have up to 8 PCI slots, rear I/O, power supply, and then for the second PC, also same 8 PCI slots, rear I/O, and second power supply. In the back of the case, they actually provide 4 120mm fans, so 2 in the center, 1 on the right and 1 on the left. Alright, so what I did was I separated the PC cables just to make it a little easier for myself. So when I'm building this PC, I'm a little organized and I know which cables go for which side of the system. Now, one thing I noticed is that this side of the PC case has more power options and more connection options than this side does. So with this side, you get 2 USB 3s, 1 USB-C, you get your power connections and you get your HD audio. But on this side, you get only 1 USB 3 and your regular HD and power options. So that's a little interesting. So definitely that makes me think like my gaming PC is gonna go on this side. Now, another cool thing is all your hard drives, which you can fit 4 hard drives in here, you can actually put them right here inside this slot. You get also option for SSD. I believe that you can put your SSDs under here. Now, another thing is you can actually height adjust this desk to your liking. So if you want, you can bring this all the way up, have it just up at your own height, and you guys can bring this all the way up, I believe, to 1100 millimeters. So this thing could just be up here, and you guys, I'm 5'8", 5'9", and I'm chilling. Now, you get your transparent option, so you can turn it from glossy to opaque. You got your RGB, so you can change the color, the light pattern. Also, you got fan control, so you can increase and decrease that anytime you guys like. On the first system, you guys get 4 USB 3s, audio and headphone jack, a USB-C port, and then on the second case, you get 2 USB-Cs, audio and headphone, power button, and that's what it is, guys. And you know, stay tuned for part 2, because part 2 I'm going to be building in this case, and we're going to look at all the parts I'm going to use. We're going to look at the beginning of the build all the way to the end, so just stick around for part 2. I hope you like this video. I'll be making a lot more videos for you guys. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys want to see something specific, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll definitely try to get that going for you guys. Hit a like, hit a subscribe button. Until next time, I'll see you.